Can you tell the audience what low resource languages are in case they don't happen to know what it is?
Sure. Yeah, good call. So, in machine learning, we have in supervised tasks. Supervised, that means that we have examples made by a human that can be used by a machine to learn the task. In supervised tasks, we have machine translation is one of those. That means that we have what we call parallel corpora, which are collections of translations, really, between mostly English and other languages, but it could be different. So this collection of parallel corpora are available for certain languages. If you think about French, if you think about German, these are languages that were traditionally tended to by European projects or defense projects in the US. So a lot of progress has been done in certain languages. So we call them high resource languages. Why? Because they have a lot of training data and techniques that have been developed for them. Now, on the other spectrum, if you think about all the resources that are available for languages around the world, we have a very long tail of languages. And the low resource languages are those for which we really have very little data. And the type of techniques that we need to use for those are very different because we are dealing under, the low resource situations, low resource learning. And that means that, we need to come up with ways of, closing that gap in terms of performance. That means that we need to invest either on creating more resources for any means possible, whether it's just asking people to create those and create translations for those languages, or through mining or similar methods, or invest in better modeling techniques.